I'm Jeff, and this is a description of Microsoft Word. How to describe Microsoft Word in so many words: it's a word processor. Basically what that means is that you can do everything that you used to do on a typewriter, but make sure you don't lose it. You've got simpler programs on a computer like text editors, which you can just put in letters, numbers, and punctuation. But with Word, you can do a lot more. You can make type bold, you can make it bigger or smaller, you can make it underlined, you can make it italicized, you can change the alignment, add pictures, do all sorts of stuff. Now, it doesn't go all the way to desktop publishing because that's not what it's for. Desktop publishing does even more stuff, gets really detailed into margins and layout of a book or a magazine. But Microsoft Word gets pretty close. You have all of these features here that'll let you do whatever you need to do. And you can do anything from something as simple as a quick story or a letter to a friend to actually formatting for a book, like this one I wrote here. You can take this right now, you can do whatever you need to do with it. You can add pictures, change the fonts. This is a different page size than I'm normally going to use for an 8.5 by 11 page. And you can actually convert this right over to the formats that most of the major ebook or self-publishing places use. No problem at all. That's pretty much what Microsoft Word is for. Just getting the word out. I'm Jeff, and this was a description of Microsoft Word.